I shared this on Instagram yesterday, but I recently tried out a new drink from Starbucks. This is a grande iced latte with 1 pump of caramel syrup, a little bit of caramel drizzle, and then topped with vanilla sweet cream foam. If you are into sweeter coffee drinks once in a while, definitely try this and let me know what you think. I just realized that some of you might not be familiar to where I am right now. I am in my childhood bedroom. I'm probably gonna end up moving back to this house within the next 3 weeks, but for now, I'm just here for the weekend. Today is such an exciting day because I'm going to be heading into Manhattan for the first time since March. I cannot remember the last time that I went this long without going into the city, and I've been missing it a lot. So I'm excited to have myself a day. I'm gonna be heading in with one of my best friends and my roommate, Madeline. A lot of you guys might recognize her from my college vlogs. So we have some plans in place and it's gonna be such a fun day. I have my workstation all set up right here. Of course, had to put on Gossip Girl to get in the mood. I have my amazing coffee and all of my makeup. So let's see if we can get this done in like 30 minutes. Decided to keep it nice and casual today for all the walking that we're gonna be doing. This t-shirt that I'm wearing is from Forever 21. My jacket is from Misguided. Jeans are from Urban, and then my shoes are from Fry, I believe that's how you pronounce it. I'm looking at the weather and I'm just getting more and more excited because today is the perfect day to go into the city. Right now it's 61 degrees, it's going up to 67, and that's gonna be perfect because we're gonna be walking around a lot, but then at one point we're going to a rooftop for lunch, so it's just gonna be the perfect day. I miss the city so much, like so much. So I'm gonna head out to the train station right now and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Wear your mask, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. Public service announcement by Danny and Madeline. They have like little simple ones that say love. They can manifest love. Manifest a boyfriend. So we got to the city a little while ago. We've kind of just been walking around because the rooftop that we were planning on going to doesn't open till 5. And neither of us decided to check on that timing. So now we're going to this restaurant called Impalon, and we kind of just want to get like a drink and maybe some tacos because we're hungry, and then we'll figure it out from there. Cheers! To the real world. Cheers! That we won't be experiencing for quite a few months. Cheers.
My extra spicy. The last one is the habanero salsa, the most spicy we have.
Great, thank you. Hi, can I get 2 margaritas to go, please? That tequila hits different. Someone needs to pick me up. I've been running out of love. That's how it seems. I've been dreaming of somebody lately. Somebody that takes me and makes me. I've been thinking maybe I've gone crazy, but I want somebody that can really shake me. I want somebody to call my baby. I want somebody next to me. Maybe eventually I wanna have a late night call from my baby. I want somebody. Ay, ay, ay. And then I get nervous in front of people. Why is it so dark? So at this point we've gotten, whoa. I can't see you. Whoa. Wait, cross the street. Okay. This is going well. So at this point we've gone to 2 different restaurants and gotten 2 different margaritas, and then took a walk on the West Side Highway. did some shopping, and now we need to go to the bathroom, so we're running into Starbucks. But at that point, we might just head home. I'm not really sure, but it's been cool to just like walk around and be in the city, period, because I haven't done this in such a long time. I love all the outdoor dining.